What if I told you that you could turn any 2D image into a full 3D model in minutes? Hitem3D makes that possible. I've been testing their Pro version, and the results are honestly unbelievable. Their flagship Pro model generates ultra-high-resolution 3D assets with incredible detail. I tried multiple 2D images just to see if it would fail, but every single time, it produced a clean and accurate 3D model. I uploaded a picture with a transparent background, and it converted it into a full 3D model instantly. The detail was way beyond what I expected. And here's the impressive part. It doesn't just create the 3D model, it also generates high-quality textures directly from the 2D image. You also get multiple download options, FBX and OBJ for quick imports, GLB for full pipelines. So whatever workflow you use, it fits right in. Plus, you get free retries, which means you can regenerate your model without wasting credits. I imported one of the models into Blender and did some shading work. And the final result was genuinely wild. If you want to try it yourself, check out Hitem3D.ai.